Veonis, we want to give everyone the opportunity to explore the universe that surrounds us. In 2018, we changed the game of astronomy by creating the first smart exploration station, Stellina. Thousands of astronomy enthusiasts have shared their excitement and their own pictures of the universe.
And here it is.
C'est pour vous présenter une technologie folle.
They have a very cool product they're just released here at CES.
We got our hands on this.
Today, we're going a step further to make astronomy even more accessible. Today, we introduce Vespera. We conceived Vespera to be the perfect combination of a telescope and a camera that will help you reconnect with the stars. Observing and capturing the wonders of the cosmos can be difficult. People often say telescopes are challenging to use, heavy and cumbersome. With Vespera, that's no longer the case. Designed for you to share space observations with your loved ones in real time, we opted for the most comfortable eyepiece, your mobile device, combined with our app. You can now take your own photos of the moon, galaxies, nebulae, and so much more. Vespera only weighs 10 pounds, is 15 inches tall, and can fit in your backpack. It is time for you to go explore the world and experience breathtaking outdoor adventures. Super easy to use. Just set up the tripod using the adjustable legs and press the button. Let Vespera come to life and calibrate itself through your GPS device and starfield recognition. Using our app, simply select the object you want to observe, and Vespera will point and track it, compensating the Earth's rotation. But the real magic behind Vespera relies on its intelligence, made possible by our team of engineers and software experts. We designed the most advanced, autonomous, patented image processing algorithm, allowing you to get mind-blowing pictures. While photographing, Vespera only keeps the best shots and stacks them on top of each other, revealing the brightest and sharpest images possible. To guide you, we designed a super user-friendly app. You'll get personalized recommendations on what to explore according to your geolocation and the astronomical calendar. Choose your destination among our catalog of celestial objects and learn along the way with our educational content. Capture your discoveries and share them with the world. We invite you to be part of space exploration history and to write the next chapters together. Somewhere in the vastness of space, a new journey awaits.